My name is Julieta Tetelbaum. I'm a film director, director of photography, screenwriter, and installation artist. I'm from Buenos Aires. I'm currently based in London. My work delves into themes such as gender, feminism, childhood, violence, intimacy, marginality, functional diversity, and sexuality. My artistic journey has been shaped by a profound urge to confront social norms through raw, unfiltered expression. I experiment by pushing the boundaries of traditional storytelling, cinematic styles, and even visual art like sculptures and installation. I just really love creating. I do believe that being creative can help save us all. Black chalk intimacy delves into the intimate world of my mind, but also in the universe of my film Black Chalk. The exhibition includes a continuous screening of the film, which explores the intimacy of a woman with Down syndrome who writes on the wall with black chalk a daily list of activities to organize her life. The exhibition also showcases printed photographies and sculptures especially created for this exhibition. So deep silences and amplified sounds such as chalk scratching or chewing envelop the space, evoking the subjectivity of the main film's character and conveying the sensation that a secret has been revealed, as if someone's intimacy has been entrusted to us. And additionally, the chalk wall, an optical illusion with shifting perspectives, invites visitors to inscribe their favorite daily activity, foster interaction and inclusion in the evolving artwork. These multisensory elements engage visitors' senses to foster active participation. Looking forward to see you here. This exhibition is an intimate invitation to appreciate the vulnerability's raw strength and foster empathy for those with functional diversity. I hope my art provokes introspection, reflection, and dialogue about social norms and the human experience as a whole. I am currently writing my first feature film. I'm super excited to see where this creative journey takes me. And I'm also creating a new installation. I can hardly wait to continue creating and also exploring new horizons. Está bien. That's it.
Great.